welcome. So lovely that you're here with me. So let's get you into a nice comfortable position. And I'd like you to begin to arrive into this meditation, alert and aware of your energy right now. With your eyes open just for a moment, I'd like you to begin to take in your full visual field. So you're expanding your field of vision to as far left and as far right of you as you possibly can. And just notice how quiet the mind becomes. And then allow your eyes to gently close or look down towards the floor, whatever is comfortable for you. And I'd like you to bring your attention to your heart. Become aware of any sensations you can feel around the heart area. And just see if you can get a sense of how your awareness, your energy, might begin to shine, become lighter when you focus on your heart area. Now don't worry if you can't feel anything at the moment. Be gentle with this, be patient. It may take a few practices to tune into your own heart and sensations. And I'd like you to bring to mind thoughts of what you have been grateful for having experienced in your life. And just see if you can get a sense of what changes in your heart area, in your body, when you bring these thoughts of what you are grateful for into your mind. And let that energy surge through you, revitalizing your mind, your body, down to the cellular level. And as feelings of gratitude begin to circulate throughout your body, I'd like you to focus your attention on your head, your forehead. And as you breathe out, allow your forehead to begin to relax. Down to your eyes, the muscles behind the eyes, slowly down to your cheekbones, feeling yourself unclench your jaw, neck and shoulders beginning to relax, dropping down now. Focusing on your chest, releasing tension, pressure, evaporating, and returning your attention back to your heart. And then bring to mind some thoughts of what you are grateful for having in your life now. And let that energy surge through you. The vibration of that gratitude energy going deep within, helping to align you as you can feel your spine slowly relaxing and easing all the way down to your waist. All the way around to your solar plexus, feeling your stomach rise and fall. Each out-breath is an invite, always an invite, to let go of anything you are holding on to. And I'd like you to imagine infinite paths stretching away from you into infinite possibilities for your future. And so many of these paths contain your ideal future. Each decision you make will help you move closer and closer to creating your ideal life. So I'd like you to picture your ideal future now, to the best of your ability. And can you feel gratitude now for these opportunities awaiting you in your future? Be aware of what you can see, hear, and feel for your ideal future. Let that energy surge through you, reprogramming your mind to help you seek out how to make this future your reality. And ask yourself this powerful question: how can I make my ideal future my reality? Going deeper, repeat again: how can I make my ideal future my reality? Even deeper: how can I make my ideal future my reality? And now rest here for the next minute, allowing any insights that are ready for you to rise to the surface. And then bring your attention back to the present moment. And just see if you can get a sense that right this very moment, you are truly abundant. You have everything you need right now. The story that your mind may create that you don't is based on a future that doesn't exist yet. But for this very moment, you have everything you need right now. Just see if you can get a sense of what that feels like for you. And then when you're ready, give yourself a warm, neurochemistry boosting inner smile. Bring yourself back to your surroundings. And can you just tap into a sense of gratitude for having the mindset to do this work with me today? And I wonder what you'll notice happening in your day as your subconscious mind begins to draw you to people, situations, places to help you make your ideal future your reality. Keep coming back to this meditation so that you can work deeper and deeper into your subconscious mind and let the magic happen. And remember, if you would like longer, deeper versions of my meditations that are more spiritual, more experimental, and work deeper into the mind, please click the link in the show notes for the Mindset Change Another Level channel. I would love to see you there. Thank you for joining me on the Mindset Change podcast. Please share, please subscribe, please leave me a review. I would love to hear from you, and I hope you have the most incredibly abundant day.